Hi everyone, it is time to journey into the world of extreme scale modeling.
It's a bit extreme.
This is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and we are taking on the legendary B-58 Hustler as a project. With its sleek design, this supersonic bomber was a true marvel of engineering, and now we are taking on the challenge of bringing it back to life with a full composite 1/12 scale EDF build. The model was designed and tooled by my good friend Dorian Anderson of Jet Hangar Hobbies, and the amazing scale landing gear, which we'll see in the next video, were made by Ed Tobias of RC Crafters. The goal is to compete with the model at the RC Scale Nationals in July, so we've got a lot of work to do, and so I'm excited to show you guys the process. So in this first video, we're dealing with Elevon installation, rudder, and because I enjoy a good challenge, we are building custom drag chute doors and installing a drag chute that came from RC Jet Chutes. So let's get into it. I'm super excited to be able to share this journey with you. So let's go. All right, so I wanted to check in real quick with the Elevons. They are all set up now. These high-tech servos are crazy strong. And so you've got a torque tube in here that runs a good portion of the Elevon. And so as a result, there's nothing external. It all is inside the airframe. You know, the ball link with the solder link, and then down here, the tube runs into the wing center section, and there's actually a steel pin in the end, so you can really cinch this down. As a result, it's completely hidden. It works out really well. I'm happy with the result. All right, let's move on to the rudder. We're gonna do something similar there, but we gotta hinge it first. And so speaking of servo installations, I wanna let you know this video is sponsored by RTL Fasteners. All of the fasteners used on this airplane came from them. They have a huge variety to suit all of your needs, and I especially like the bundles that they provide, especially the Servo screw bundle. I utilize that one quite a bit. And so they're running a sale right now. I've got a link down in the description with the coupon code. They do make good stuff, and a big thank you to them for their support. All right, the rudder is done now. It is all connected and ready to go. What you have here is there is a torque rod that runs through into the fuselage, and again, just like we did with the Elevons, there's a wheel collar with a screw and a horn bracket on there, and then that connects to the servo. I ended up placing a little bit longer bolt on there than I originally did because I need a little bit better mechanical advantage to clean this up, and so this is all super tight now. So I'm really happy with the result here. Now let's get on to the icing on the cake. We're going to add in the drag chute doors and get the drag chute operating. All right, so the final element in this video are the drag chute doors. And so the way that this works, they are on a 3-position switch. And so if I hit the switch once, the doors open. And if I hit the switch again, then I can drop the chute out of it, an emergency jettison. And so there's a wire that catches this hook here. It's all spring-loaded open, so that way they just drop right out. And so with the drag chute, we can just place this in here, and so now we have the drag chute connected. If I need to jettison, hit the switch, and it comes right out. The other thing is I built a capture in here, a box for the chute, that way to ensure it can't catch up on any of these springs or anything that's in there. The only thing left now is to try it out. And there we have it, the first steps in our journey to bring the B-58 Hustler back to life. I hope you enjoyed this video, but of course the adventure doesn't end here. There's so much more to come. In the meantime, if you'd like to see some of the other build projects that we've done, you can see those here. No, here. Well, here works too. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you at the field.